We'll see if I have enough battery to do the toolpath optimizing. The ones that I need are all of these. And I am just going to cut out this first one, see how it goes. Naturally, I'll put the alignment holes in, but I want to see how this cuts out before I start doing the next one. That's interesting. Just look at these lines, curious why they didn't create the purple. I'm actually going to turn that off now that I remembered how to do it. All right. Now, if I were to go save these toolpaths, right now you'll see so the downward 1/4 inch, 16th inch end mill, 1/4 inch end mill, 1/8 inch. You can see that I'd have to do this, and then I'd have to do a tool change, and then a tool change back, and then tool number 3 with the downward. I want to make sure number 1 cutout is going to be very last. Now, cutout is the end mill. What I need to decide is if the alignment holes also. Now, usually I would do alignment first, but since I'm doing the cutout, this same tool number 1, I could technically have the alignment first. I'm gonna go walk over to my cutters here. Okay, those are downward, that's downward. That's a climb. My conventional, or my non-downward spiral is the deeper one. That's what I need for the, okay, so I need the alignment. I was considering changing the alignment holes to this bit. Instead, there's both 1/4 inch. The downward just does better clearing and gives a cleaner cut. But I was debating whether to put this as tool 4, the downward 1/4 inch versus the normal end mill. I'm actually going to keep it this way. So the last cut, I'll just have to hope that I clamp it down enough and material doesn't move around a lot or at all before the alignment hole happens. Okay, so those are good. The end mill. Okay, here's my debate. Right now, the clearing, so the side pockets, you know what, it's easy enough to do the side pockets. Okay, this is tool 3. Oh, this is, okay, bottom grills. Bottom grills I can push down below. So bottom grill is 5, side pockets is 5. Okay, so 4, 3, 5, 5, 3, 3. Okay, so I need to bring either the big top pocket, I need to bring up. So big top pocket. It's a bigger bit. I'm going to bring it up above the clear out. And then last, or the top big, last pocket. Okay, so 4, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 1, 1. All right. Now what I need to do is make sure that I'm going to take each of these one by one now and make sure that if it cuts this, so tool bit 4, and then 3 paths with tool bit 3, and then 2 with 5, and then the last one. And then the other thing I need to make sure of is sometimes I assign a different profile, a different tool profile to the same number. So I'm looking to make sure all of these are the same. These all look the same. Okay, good. So I'm going to close that out. Now what I'm going to do is one by one, I'm going to imagine I reset. So first thing that's going to happen. Okay, cool. So now that I've cut that out, And for this, I just picture I'm sitting in front of the machine, and now I need to see each of these happen. Okay, so after the main cutout, the main flattening cutout has happened, I am then going to switch bits and hit that one. Okay, cool. No issue with that. Now I need to see if I have any issue with this. Did I not hit? Oh, preview visible. Okay, that's good. Side pockets. Okay, no issue there. Bottom grills. So this is where I've just done a tool change and now my 16th inch bit. So the first thing it's going to do is that. While I'm checking on this one, it's going in a quarter inch. I'm actually going to edit the passes. I'm going to add a third pass there. And okay, calculate that. So it's going to be 3 passes instead of the 2. You can see the 3 depth cuts there. The only reason I'm doing that is because it's a teeny bit. So I'd much rather not take 1/8 of an inch with each. Now I thought, that was going through my head right now, is I thought that we used the 16th inch bit more than that. Yeah, okay, side pockets. Did I not already do that one? Oh, nope, I hadn't. Okay, that's fine. As long as this happens first, and then this happens, these are both 16th inch bit. Cool. Okay. And now alignment holes. I'm gonna get both alignment holes. I'm zooming the wrong way. Okay, got the top ones there too. And cutout. It's actually before I do the cutout. All right, so there should have been no breakout here. Yeah, these are all clean cuts. This corner right here and this corner could have had some breakout. Now, do these have a ramp? Yep. I was just looking over here at the zigzag ramp. Okay, preview. Cool. And yeah, it's going to cut this just a hair. I'm fine with that. Cool. I think it's good to go because now I should have a good solid surface when I flip it over to do the back. These should be aligned just fine. These will pop in there. Cool. I always, not always, but I usually, oh, this is I guess newer Aspire does double-sided. I probably should have started with that. Next project, I'll do that. I'm not going to redo everything now. My 0, this is what I was getting to, my 0 position, I'm going to do. That's exactly where I want it. I don't remember. I know I don't do center. Do I do this or do I do this? I think I do that. Because on our R's and 2, we have 0, 0 start here. Okay. And since I changed it, I'm going to recalculate everything. Okay. And I guess I'm going to save that again. Cool. That looks like massive toolpaths. Looks awesome. Cool. And I have an awesome radio. That looks sweet. Cool. I'm going to get this, let me save all of these. I don't know why this won't save by default. I'm tired of clicking on that. And then we have 3-axis, continuous velocity, inches. I believe that is correct. Save toolpath. Cathedral, 8-inch block. First box. I'm calling this first box and this the second box. Save that. Cool. I'm gonna go. Now I gotta do the real. Oh, I do like this part. This part's fun too. But I'm gonna go warm up the machine and see if I can start cutting this. Let's see what's the estimated time. 15 minutes? That's not too bad. I mean, it's a little overkill, and whatever. I'm okay with that. Let's do. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if my scaling factor is correct, but I'll also have tool changes in the middle of that. I do to make sure that where I cut through, I'm not cutting into anything on the bed. Cool. Let me get to it, and hopefully next video will be the setting up the tools, setting up the material, and getting it started cutting.